Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to change LinkedIn photo. Adding a photo profile increases the credibility of your profile as it allows people to see who you are when you send invitations to connect. You can add, change, edit, or delete your LinkedIn profile photo anytime from the introduction section on your profile. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to open your LinkedIn account and tap on the me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage and tap view profile on it. Then click the plus button on your profile here, and you can tap on view or edit profile photo. And in this page you have to tap add photo here and select the photo you want to make your profile picture. I use this one and tap choose. In this page you can crop the photo, use the photo filter. You also can adjust it. And if you're done, tap save in the top right corner and your profile is already changed. Well guys, just it. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon on the next one. Leave your comment in the column below and good luck.